I ended my podcast in August of 2023 after a decade. I was pretty successful with the podcast, still keeps on growing. I just had 3.6 million downloads, crossed that the other day. I was really proud of it. So I've started to spend a little more time on YouTube. I'm like, oh, I watched this great video. I'm like, should put thumbnails and do all that. So anyway, I'm paying a little more attention to my YouTube channel that I did in the past. And what's really interesting, I've noticed, is I have someone, I don't know if it's one person. I mean, obviously I can't expect everyone to like what I do, but it's just interesting that I think there's someone, as soon as I post a video, they're disliking it. And I have another friend who does what I do, and she said every time she posts a video, her ex must get a little reminder or a ding or whatever that's called, because he's immediately putting the thumbs down. And I kind of cracked up, because there are things that really, I'm saying don't donate junk and you're going to thumb that down. And so it's just interesting. I think that there's a deeper thing going on with that person. I have a couple thoughts on that, but that's not the meat of this post. My point is that when you put yourself out there, there are people that aren't going to like you. One, there are people that aren't going to resonate with you, and that's okay, right? And haters going to hate. I'm probably dating myself there. Let them hate, right? If the majority of people are getting you and enjoying your stuff, you can't worry about pleasing everyone. And I think there are people that just sit there, their keyboard, and I don't know, maybe they're unemployed and just spend their time trying to bring others down. But I don't see people who do that putting themselves out there and creating a podcast or creating a YouTube channel or writing a book or whatever it is. So just remember, you're doing it. Be audacious. Put yourself out there. Share your gifts with the world. Just know already that someone's going to try to bring you down or dislike you. And what other people do is about them, and how you respond is about you. So just let them go. Just kind of get a chuckle. Be like my friend, like, oh, that's the X again, hitting the thumbs down button on my YouTube video, right? Because it's important. We need you now more than ever to share your gifts with the world. So keep on creating content, keep on putting yourself out there. When you clear your clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire.